It is the Clix Keyboard. You got the Clix mouse pad. We got the Misfit spacebar. And last but most certainly not least, we got the actual Clix keyboard. So I'm gonna be unboxing this one first. Actually, no, I'm gonna do this last. We'll first unbox this spacebar. I'll do a full review later, but this is just an unboxing. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Oh, it's amazing. See, my camera, I'm recording on a crappy phone, so I don't know if you can see it that well. It might not look that great, but it's amazing. Next up, we got the mouse pad. I know it's gonna be gigantic, and when I do my setup tour, which I'm gonna do soon, I'm just I will show it to you. I'll show it to you on the desk, on my desk. Ooh. Oh my gosh, bro. That is insane. The Matrix logo right there. The Clix signature. Just beautiful. Oh, also, I got this as a birthday gift, by the way. I don't know if anyone cares, but just there's that. And last but definitely not least, we got the actual keyboard. Let's see. Looks like we got blue switches. Pretty happy. No, black and we got black on the inside, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. It's freaking insane. No, get out of here, one. Stop it. It's just my cat. Holy, get out of here. I'm sorry, Juan. Come on. Come on, man. And we also got the switch remover, the keycap puller, and the Clix what's it called? I forgot what it's called. I guess cable. I don't know. And yep. Let's see. I'm gonna try not to type on it or even hear it until it's fully out of its case. Now I'm just gonna open it off camera. Jeez, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Alright, here's the sound. Oh my gosh, this is so clicky. This is so amazing and clicky. Alright, I'm be putting the spacebar on it. I'll show you what that looks like, and then I'll show you the RGB or RBG. I have no clue. Anyway, this is what it looks like with the spacebar on. Insane. I'm gonna show you with the RGB now. Alright, we got it plugged in. I'm about to plug it in. Let's see how it looks. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, that is so nice. Hang on, guys. Hang on. There. It's actually staying in now. Hang on, let me turn off the lights and everything. Oh my gosh. It's so bright and nice. I got blue switch. People keep on saying they ran out really fast, but I got mine, like, off the bat. I don't remember too much of their RGB, I think. That. Caps lock apparently is like that. There's that mode. This mode. This. That one's pretty nice. And then there's that mode, just regular. I don't know, there might be more. In the full review, I'll find out. And yeah. But that's gonna be it. Peace out.